Hello guys and gals, today's video is going to be about Minecraft mod manager, specifically curseforge. Do not worry, I won't make this too complicated for you. It's not going to be like how to do modding or anything. First, you're going to want a game save manager. This backs up your game files and mods and everything. So if it gets corrupted, you can just, fix it right up or have a backup. So I would just download this, unzip the file, and have that all set. So I'm going to show you through the process and everything. Don't worry, it's pretty easy. Just unzip and download the file. Then we're going to install it after it's downloaded, and we're going to have it go to our backup file. So we're going to go here, we're going to run this, and what we're going to do when it's running is we're going to click this option right here, and we're going to hit OK. Then we're going to hit yes please, I'd like to install, and browse. So I have a file already in my local disk that's called game backup files. You can make this if you don't have it. It's pretty easy. Just go into the backup, go to your local disk, make the file, and just browse it. So after this, we're going to have it install, and it's downloading. It's going to take a little bit. I'm skipping most of this so it doesn't take too long for you. And after this, we're going to have it run through all our game files. It also does a Steam spreader backup, restores data. You can customize it, but I'm just going to do the backup right now. So we're going to go back to our local disks, going to show you my game files. So see, this folder is empty. I'm going to make a backup. So right here we have Minecraft, curseforge, we have Guild Wars, we have all of this stuff. So I'm gonna just select all of this because I'm gonna back up everything. Makes sense because I want all my games backed up. So after this, just select all. There were some warnings on my Minecraft stuff, but it deleted itself after I selected all. I don't know why. So what we're going to look at is we're going to look at the files, make sure everything's good. So that's the start backup, and this is rescan your system. I'm going to start the backup, and we're going to go to the local disk, games backup files, hit OK. This is going to bring all your games and back them up to that file. It's going to take a long time. I skipped all of it. It took me about an hour, but I already had a lot of game files. After this, we're going to go curseforge, which is our Minecraft mod manager. It does a few other games, but it's mostly Minecraft. So we can do Overwolf or just the app. I'm going to show you both of them. Overwolf kind of just it's like a browser to open curseforge, but I would personally just go to the curseforge and get the app. It still is you'll still need Overwolf and everything, but curseforge instead will just be easier. So go here, download on Overwolf, and or download standalone. So now that we have that downloaded, we're going to open curseforge. What we're going to do after we open it is, I already have this, so I'm going to go to home. We're going to click on what game we want to download. So I'm going to pick Minecraft because, mostly everyone uses it for Minecraft, but doesn't mean it exactly. So we're going to go browse because I'm going to show you how to download one. So I'm just going to look through what we want. Okay, course walking a modern zombie apocalypse. I hit install. It's a version 120.1 or whatnot, and there's these versions. So we hit install, and we're going to have that download. Now these versions are the Minecraft version that it works with. So you want the 120 for the Minecraft to be 120. I'll go a little more into that, but I'm going to have this just download, and it's taken a moment apparently. And now that that's downloaded, we'll go into my mod packs. You can see at the bottom that it's there because I haven't played it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through the content. We have 203 mods in here. That's a lot of mods. And we're going to make sure that it was all updated. It's, it's not having any issues. So what we're going here is profile options. And what you want is allow content management for this profile. if you want to add more mods to the mod pack. I always do this because if I see a mod I want to add, I like to have the option. So you can see that there's a new add content and you can add it on whatever you want, as long as it's compatible, which is like the versions or whatnot that I told you about. So we're gonna hit play. It's gonna download and install all this, and after this it's gonna update. So yeah, it's gonna take a while, but since I don't have that much time, I'm gonna show you that it crashed on me. It crashed because of mods, you know. Sometimes they crash, so I can fix that, but I'm just gonna show you first on how a game looks when it does not crash. So you hit play. This was a superhero mod that I had. So you go to Java edition and you go down here to see that the mod pack is working. Hit play, and I assume you guys already have Minecraft Java. So go here, you go to mods, you see that your mods are all working. You have you know, all of these ones, legends, damage indicators, all this stuff, Fisk superheroes you got. So you go to single player. I'm gonna just make a new world real quick, and I'm gonna show you guys how it is in the inventory and that it works and loads up. It's a little slow because this is the auto computer, but that's the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I know it was kind of quick and everything, but I just want to get straight to the point and not have any filler or anything in there. So as always, many blessings.